The Noblelift product is a great product with a lot of modern technology, and they have a lot of technology in the lithium world. With this battery, you can scan QR codes for technicians. They can easily have access to error codes and troubleshooting. With the dash display, there's everything that can be controlled through the dash, which is a big advantage in the market of today to not have any handsets.
Partnership is for the future of the growth of both ends of Canada and China and world globally, basically. And it's a really honor to have a partnership with Noblelift China.
We're now a big family.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Working together for a shared future.
Yeah, I think a Noblelift product combines several virtues and features which make it one of the most interesting range of material handling today. They have found a perfect balance between the advanced technology, design, attractive design, and premium reliability. Yeah, I think the management of Noblelift is totally the reflection of the rest of the organization. Okay, so they are balanced, dynamic, totally compromised with the quality, and totally oriented to the innovation and service to the customers. Okay. Thank you very much. Working together for a shared future.